Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rara Sinang Pratiwi from Accounting Study Program with NPM 2341208. Here I want to explain about investment concept. The first is concept of investment. What the definition of the investment? Investment is the commitment or fund or other resources at the first time with the expectation of obtaining benefit in the future. Definition according to expert. The first, Body, Kana and Marcus, 2020. Investment is the current commitment of money or other resources in the expectation of reaping future benefit. The second, Tandelilin, 2017. Investment is the commitment of fund made at present with the objective of gaining profit in the future. And the last, Hartono, 2022. Investment is the postponement of current consumption to be placed in productive asset for a certain period. Element of investment and activity can be considered an investment if it includes the first, fund or resources to be invested, the second, investment asset or instruments, the third, a aspect specific investment period, time horizon, and the last, expectation of future return. What the type of investment? The first, real asset, land, building or property, gold, and other physical asset. The second, financial asset, stock, bond, mutual fund, and deposit. Purpose of investment. The main purpose of investment is to increase welfare or wealth, both in the present and the future. Next is consumption and utility. What the definition of consumption? Consumption is the use of goods and service to satisfy human needs and wants at the present time. Example, buying food, purchasing clothes, and paying for transportation service. And what the definition of utility? Utility refers to the level of satisfaction or benefit that individuals receive for consuming goods or service. The higher the utility, the greater the satisfaction gain. Relationship between consumption and investment. In financial decision making, individual must choose between the first, consuming resources now, or saving and investing resources for future benefit. Investment can be viewed as postponing current consumption in order to obtain greater benefit in the future. Time value of money. The concept of the time value of money states that money today is more valuable than the same amount of money in the future because it can be invested and earn return. Next is factor to consider in investment decision. When making investment decisions, several important factors must be considered. The first, return. Return is the profit or gain obtained from an investment. Type of return. The first, expected return, the return that investor expect to receive, and the realized return, the actual return obtained for the investment. The second is risk. Risk is the possibility that the actual return will differ from the expected return. Generally, investments with higher potential return involve higher risks. The third, investment time horizon. Investors must determine the length of time they plan to invest. The first, short term, medium term, and the last, long term. The time horizon, value, investment strategy, and asset. Select the fourth and the last, liquidity. Liquidity refers to how easy an asset can be converted into cash without significantly affecting its value. And the last, the five, investor risk profile. Each investor has a different level of risk tolerance. The first, risk expert investor prefer lower risks. The second, risk neutral investor neutral toward risks. And the last, risk taking investor willing to take higher risks. So that can I explain, and thank you very much for your nice attention. And finally I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.